Have you wondered how Lady Gaga's voice sounds like this in Abracadabra? First sing your vocal. Mind you, I'm not a trained opera singer. Next, it's time to add some ambience to the vocals. In order to do this, we have to go to the side here and go to Platinum Reverb, which is this plugin here. So put the effect time or reverb time as 3 seconds here. Put the wetness of the signal, meaning that you'll hear 50% of that effect in the vocals, and then put the dryness down to 86%. The dryness is how much of the dry signal or how much of the raw vocal you'll hear. Let's listen to the vocals now when I put the wet signal up to 50% as the vocals play. Now we just have to add some delay or an echo to the vocals to make them sound bigger. Let's go to Echo plugin here and just put the dry signal down to 96% and then put the wet signal up to 9%. And then the last thing you want to add is a pumping effect to the vocals. We have to go to our Kickstart 2 plugin by Nicky Romero. Let's have a listen to the vocals where I put the mix from 0 to 81%. And lastly, we want to sing a vocal that is an octave lower than the original melody. And we sing that twice. Make sure the vocals are panned left and right. And we're done. Here it is with the music. And there you go. So if you like this tutorial, please follow for more. And if you want me to do even more Abracadabra, please let me know. And if you want me to do any other songs, let me know in the comments. All right, take care, guys. Bye.